Tonight, Atlanta police are keeping an eye out for hundreds of ATVs and dirt bikes that took over Atlanta streets.
Atlanta police aware of the riders who are illegally riding throughout the city. Officers typically don't chase the ATVs with patrol cars because they often run from police, weave in between cars, and go off-road. We're told the department has strategies to capture and arrest riders.
So we back. We back again. And I tell y'all, this is the worst chase I ever witnessed in my life. And it's going down in Atlanta. I promise y'all, don't play with these state troopers. They not going. Y'all gotta learn y'all laws, bro. Learn y'all laws. That's why I say I'm here to make bike life great again. So that starts with this. Y'all gotta learn the fundamentals. Y'all have to learn your awareness. Y'all have to know the laws. Y'all have to know the situation. And y'all don't even got the physics. Y'all keep going. All these states, Florida, Georgia, Baltimore, New York, Philly, y'all don't know the fucking laws. Well, let me tell you about the laws in Atlanta. In Atlanta, Georgia, they do not have to call in for a pit removal. If them blue cars, them state troopers, them trucks, any of them things get on y'all ass, they can hit y'all off the bike. You don't believe me? Stay tuned. Stay tuned. You don't believe me? Stay tuned. I'm ready to show y'all. I'm going to show y'all. Because I care. This is a part of making it. Somebody got to be the sacrifice. If I'm going to be the sacrificial lamb, let me be it. We got to make bike life great again. And that's my goal. To make bike life great again. Go, yo, go! Wait. It's the ATL right here. Go right. Go right. Better go. They coming. Go right. Nobody went right. You going the right way, dickhead. You from Atlanta. You stupid. You going right. Everybody else, all the police went left, dummies. Go right. Stupid. I'm happy he ain't listening to them dumb. Like, go right, nigga.
God, they read down something stupid.
Bro, you see how they was lined up?
It's hot.
She got crashed. She's fucked up down there. Where? That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Where is the bike? Hey, Biz! Biz, record the cars. Record the cars. Look at the truck up front. Oh, right, man, come on, man. Come on, man. That shit not worth it, dog. It's a traffic violation. A traffic violation. Jeez, y'all. Over a traffic violation, dog. This is crazy. The bike all the way up here. This is insane, bro. This is insane, bro. You can't say you ain't hit that man, man. You hit that man into the tree, man. He must have ran down there. We watched him. You recording him pull off, though, right? You recording him pull off. That's a tow truck right there. That's not a tow truck for that already. That's another airport. Look. They ready to shut us off, so you gotta try to get as much as you can. That's Green Squad. Don't play with them, dude. You're insane, bro. This is insane, bro. This is insane, bro. This is crazy. crazy, cuz. That's good, right? Nah, he crashed into that fence. Nigga, look at his face. They crashed into a fence. You alright, buddy? Okay, I'm trying to make sure we're good. That's relax. Respectfully. We good. There we go. Y'all want that? And look, he's all over. They the ones. They them guys. Yeah, sir. This is insane. Red here too. He is not gonna play with you. Jesus, man. Jeez. This is insane. More police, no ambulance, bro. This nigga's on the ground, bro. Head trauma. More police.
Your heart, you keep trying, and the truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are, but
that's the way it is. Remember we was kids, man. They need to free my.
I wanted to talk a little bit about my charges from the previous videos. So yeah, a lot of people can believe it and can't believe it, but they gave me 24 hours probation. A lot of people are misunderstood about that, but yeah, they gave me 24-hour probation. The reason why is because I violated the dirt bike violation. The dirt bike violation is just about basically saying that you cannot own, operate no dirt bikes or ATVs in Baltimore City whatsoever. Yeah, I know, it sucks. I had fun with it for years. I loved it. I'm trying to pull up you guys' comments from the last video. Named Ray at Ray V882. He said these guys screwed it up for the real dirt bike lovers because they think they can just take a dirt bike that's not street legal and ride on the streets and cut everyone off. Just riding wheelies through red lights like they own the road. Dirt bikes are for the dirt. Why not buy a street bike and ride wheelies in the street? But be careful and respectful. Ride, he says, ride street bikes in the streets. Well, once you wheelie that street bike, that's illegal. Once you speed on that street bike, that's illegal. Once you do a donut on the street bikes, that's illegal. So basically, what you're saying is break the same laws that I would break on a dirt bike. Just have it registered so it can come back to me. I don't know. I like this one. My Scooby 64. He said, you and Dev had the best tune. I remember watching y'all on Shady Flick. Shout out to Shady Flick and shout out to you, my boy, my Scooby 64. Rest in peace, Dirt Bike Dev. I don't say that enough. I need to say that more. My boy Samuel Cliff. My boy Samuel Cliff said, only the man upstairs can bring it back. As far as being Bikelife is dead, yeah, only God has the power to allow us to be reborn again. So I believe that. Only the man upstairs can bring back the memories of Bikelife and what it was, and what we had, and how it was before everything went to social media and to the One Love for Trent, New Jersey. That's James Green and Jay Serick 2791. Sorry if I just chopped your name up on that, but he said, damn, that's crazy. I just saw the video. We right here in San Francisco and Oakland, California. This different out here. Y'all be safe out there. Yeah, California is definitely slow, in a good way, because I think I'm, going to plan on going out there and actually get some riding in. I went out there last year, but me and my wife, we took the kids with us, one thing, and I definitely was going to hit the streets. I took my 450 and parachute, but my leg wound up swelling up on me. Prosthetic, so I wasn't even able to put my leg in my socket, so it kind of bummed the whole trip out. And plus my son called and was like, hey Dad, you can come get me, so we rushed back and got him instead of riding. So yeah, but definitely gonna make my way back out there. My man is dropping the top on that thing. But definitely gonna make my way back out there to LA and ride, because you guys definitely have it sweet right now, and I'm loving that. I'm sure you guys get chased, I'm sure you guys get harassed, but my boy reptilians. My boy said, that's what we do on our planet, but with our ships. He says, our spaceships, bro. We be getting that grind. Much love. Spaceships, bro? Okay. All right. This is a good one. Terrell Cooper said, y'all got yourselves to blame for social media came out and everybody, because idiots started recording themselves committing crimes. I'm from Chicago. When we ride, nobody record. Well, that's cap. You ever heard of Chicago lean back?
We sound good. What are the fucking audio levels? Let me know, because I got to tell them where we at.
We great.
We great. Check it out, bro. We're at the hotel.
And also, I must say, Chicago is slow also. You guys, Bike Life just started. We've been riding in the streets for like 40 years.
I want to know what we're doing about these little scumbags on these dirt bikes in our downtown. I want to know. If anyone out there has seen this, please call. I mean, these kids are just little bastards. These aren't like nice kids. And the problem is, I'm going to throw it out there, because they're African American. Nobody wants to say it because no one wants to take action, because you got young black kids on these, they're misbehaving. You gotta do something. You gotta do something. I don't care if they get hurt. Frankly, I don't care if one of them dies.
So, I mean, yeah, keep up the good work though. If you guys are staying off of social media, which I know goddamn well you guys not, but keep up the good work. And like I said, pray for us. That's about it. Great video. Like I said, I'm gonna go home, talk a little bit about the Raise It Up. We're also gonna get back into that, show you guys the ins and outs in that. I love Raise It Up. Saying this is crazy because I literally just was having this conversation with my wife. I just was talking to my wife about that, like how
I had the opportunity to be on the big screen as Will Smith's stuntman in Bad Boys 3, featured in the new movie Charm City Kings as a stunt rider.
At this, you know what I mean? Niggas ain't asked for it. They came knocking on our door.
Oh, bro. I almost lost a rebound check because they DM'd me because they didn't have an email now for me.
They DM'd you on Instagram.
Yeah, she said you had one more day and I would have gave somebody else this.
Come on, bro. So if that's not faith, that's not destiny. But the problem is now, though, Mont. The problem is now, these kids, now they think that they deserve that. Oh, all I got to do.
It's a keyword in everything you just said. It's kids.
Yep.
They don't have no kids.
And not just kids, as grown men can be kids too.
Yeah, but that's what I'm about to say. Grown men is kids.
Yeah. You could be a 50-year-old kid. Yeah. We definitely from the same generation.
They could be some grown ass men.
100%.
Just like your son.
100%.
Niggas, cause they'll have 10 kids and be like, them kids.
Like, come on, bro. Do you understand why we on these bikes? We taking away this time that we could be spending with our children, with our loved ones. When we injure, when we f*** ourselves up, your homeboy ain't coming. Mike Miles ain't coming. Wayne ain't coming to take care of us. Charlie ain't coming. Our kids, our wife is. I mean, as up as it is, bro, we love the culture for what it is, but now that we see it for what it is, we kind of gotta, you know, can it be fixed? No, but where as far as your answer, can the culture be fixed to the generation to be fixed the way we had it, like we had it? Never gonna be like that again. Never. But it's right now the culture is fucking mainstream now, bro. It's mainstream. Where you got kids literally going to Philly to DHY. They're going to DHY, buying a bike, and Jersey, going to DHY. Or what was Philly? What's Philly? Give me a Philly store.
I used to work at one.
Crossroads, yes. Nowadays, these kids will go up Crossroads, buy a bike, and come out and ride in the hood. You gotta know somebody to come outside in these dangerous streets, bro. And if you have ability to take your bike elsewhere, go ride elsewhere.
Yeah.
These kids don't want to do that, bro. Once you put your state on and you became solidified in your state, going to Philly, going to Baltimore, New York, Atlanta, Florida. Once you took your talents all over the place, now you like bored, right?
Yeah, but bro, I can't even say me. I get what you're saying, but I don't like to do that. But don't do that to me, bro, because we
all of us. Yes, you're right. But I'm saying we all repped our states, and we did all this. You right.
This the difference between us and them. We got to the point where we got tired of fighting. Not literally, but tired of going back and forth. All right, okay, man. Y'all niggas going to New York today because we going to New York. Let's squash the bullshit. We're going to have our battle. Let's do all that shit right now, and we're going to kill it all right now.
We're going to meet y'all up there.
That's literally what we did.
That's literally what we did.
What's happening, man?
Yeah, man. Philly and New York came together. Charlie, what up?
Charlie, yo. Not Charlie, Charlie.
That's literally what did.
We've been gang, bro.
Oh, ever since that day.
Every time we see each other, we don't care about that because we not really beefing.
Man, niggas ain't we ain't even gonna talk about it. We're battling, you ain't gonna hear about it unless we joking at each other, you know what I mean, on some shit like that, but
We bullshitting and playing around.
Man.
I don't fuck with that nigga either.
Never.
He's 4 miles further than me.
Never.
I'm gonna give you credit. You already got over on me that day, but I remember the other day when I beat you for.
Yeah, Mont, you never switched up your riding style, Mont.
No,
You got better, but you never started riding like a Baltimore nigga.
no, my style was different. I took the tube.
Come on, bro, but yeah.
But my style was my style.
Your style was your style. You could tell that you was a Philly nigga. Even down to the boots. Dumb butters at a fucking ride out.
Was in Miami with shorts on, but
With butters on. So Philly.
that's our city, bro. We don't give a fuck what nobody think.
Man, it's a
But
beautiful
that's how
thing.
Baltimore niggas did.
I'm done fighting. From your heart, you keep trying. And the truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are, but
That's the way it is, remember we was kids. Man, they need to free my dogs, they got them doing big. Nah, I can't bring you niggas round if you gon' tell a bitch. When I leave, I might come back, but she know what it is. I was lost for a little while, but now I think I found it. I got bags and I got racks, you know I make them count it. I got chains and I got rings, I'm like a water fountain. I be deep up in that water, but I'm never drowning. You don't want no bags and want no cash, you better not come around. Yes, I be the one that's never around, catch me out of town. Yes, I be the one that never had it, now I got it now. Got it now I be styling now, you know I'm wildin' out. I jumped out the porch, I got some racks and left my mama house. Yeah, we be